11:01 Hey. I originally planned to rest today. Watching Xiaoe here. This is what happens when you can't focus. Stop watching for now. You can't grow flowers in the summer. I went to try on dresses today and didn't cook. Beef brother made a soup. Boss, please turn the AC down for me. Are you a penguin? We can never agree on the temperature. Let's go. Oh, it seems to have dried out. Okay. This clay pot absorbs too much water. Let's do it again. Ba tilde bye. I'm not cutting you. I'm going to cut the lemons. This variety can be picked when it's green. Let's go. Juice it to drink. The fragrance is more obvious after rinsing. Oh, it smells so good. Remove the ends. This one is ripe. Peel it. Alright, it's cut. Look at the lemons we grew ourselves. Ah. It's tight. One more cut. Satisfied. Tasted it. Hard to describe. Going out to buy some is so unnecessary. Oh, lemon, apple. Golden apple pineapple. Can start juicing. Green tea. Fruit and vegetable juice. Start. Alright. Wow, so fragrant. Put in the lemon slices. Add some ice cubes. Add more ice. 2 preserved plums. Filter it a little. 1 glass. Second glass. Add a tiny bit of sugar. Drink it in a bit. Make some egg-wrapped fire noodles. 1 pack is enough. Boil the water and add the noodles. Feels like too little. Add another pack. Let it boil. I think the soup is ready. Wow, add some salt. It splashed on my stomach. It's fine. Shedding a layer of skin makes it more tender. Bring the soup over. Corn and pork rib soup. I like soft noodles. Crack 2 eggs. Take 4. Whisk them. Pour some oil. Make it raw. Good. Hey, 1 sheet. The second one is a bit torn. It's fine. Rinse the noodles in cold water. Sauce packet. Powder packet. Just mix well. Ready to wrap. Egg. Put the noodles in. Add a bit more. Wrap it up. Wrap it tightly. Done. Cut into small pieces. Give him this ugly one. Egg-wrapped fire noodles. I heard the keyboard sound. Yeah, you're playing again. What's wrong, boss? Guess if he's nervous. How old are you? 18 years of age. Even the rainforest isn't as humid as Shanghai. Wow, so stuffy. In this weather, if you don't engage your core when going to the bathroom, you might easily do the splits. Change the pillowcase for him. It was still a bit damp yesterday. Sweating every day. Just endure it and see who gives out first. Turn on the light. Wash my face while I'm at it. Who washes their face by throwing water and just rubbing with their hands? It's me. I like using this after staying up late and overusing my eyes. Xiaozi 4D Pyramid Eye Mask for emergency care. Very convenient to use. It's a cotton linter membrane cloth. Very comfortable. A thin sheet can hold plenty of essence. Full coverage design. Fits the eye socket very well. Can cover the entire eye area. It focuses on pyramid structural anti-aging. Layer by layer to improve eye area problems. Wait 15 minutes. Every time I finish using it, the dark circles are much lighter. The skin around the eyes is also more hydrated and plump. Under the eyes is tight and supple. Looks very energetic. Won't cake when applying makeup later. Make a tartare with the salmon left over from yesterday. It'll go bad if we don't eat it. Get some ingredients. Seaweed. Potato chips. Oh my god, who is this packaging protecting against? Salmon. Get an avocado. Dice it. Avocado. Add some mango to cut the richness. Alright, just these 3 ingredients. Add some salad dressing. Yellow mustard. Soy sauce and wasabi. Mix well and then assemble. Wasabi flavored potato chips. Seaweed. Cover the chips with seaweed. Grab some more ingredients. Not weird, very delicious. 4. Chips, salmon, and juice. 12:43, time to eat. Hungry. Have a glass of juice first. You guys drink first. Tilda. Not too sweet, very refreshing and cooling. Delicious. No difference from the tartare in a Japanese restaurant. Fire noodles with egg are also delicious. My egg sheet is a bit thick. The soup is also good. Eat a little less. Have to try on clothes in the afternoon. 1:15. Full. Rest a bit before going out. Change clothes and go out. Wearing a small pink short-sleeved shirt today. Paired with striped trousers. That's all. Put on light makeup. Otherwise I can't try them on properly. On the body. It's like this. Brought nipple covers and hair ties in the bag. It's 3 o'clock. So slow. Hey, I need to pee again. Take a drink. Lemon tea. Wearing these flip-flops today. 3:05. Leaving. Going to try on engagement outfits now. Going to a smaller one today. I have backups. We arrived at 3:30. Speechless. I'm looking at the map. Shouldn't have worn these flip-flops. Arrived at the shop. Trying them on here, right? Okay. We'll try them here in a bit. Told her 800 times before coming. What kind of purpose do you want it for? Engagement. This one is also okay. I chose all red. Because I think red is festive. Come on, everyone help me look. First one. This one is more Western style. This is two-way wear. Removing the skirt train isn't suitable for an engagement. Second set. This set is more vintage. This should look very good with gold jewelry. But still don't really like it. Third piece. This one needs to ensure the hotel has lighting. Otherwise, the texture in natural light is average. Fourth piece. Go down and walk around. Slow down. Not easy to walk in. Have to lift it very high. Having shiny diamonds makes it look more grand. Don't know which set this is. How is it? This one is a bit heavy. Tied very tightly, otherwise it falls off. This set is suitable for wearing a phoenix crown. Meaning the head needs to be very grand when the time comes. Not good looking. Too plain. Makes the hips look rectangular. This one is even worse. Like a brothel outfit. This set has a more high-end and grand feeling. This set is also good. I like it, but I'm afraid it will make my neck look short. This is what Zhang Chuxi wore. Too many people have worn this one. I don't want it. 5:43. I'm done trying. Plan to try 2 more places later. It's almost dark outside. We're going to eat now. Then go for Moksabustion. The dog's tail is so strong. Is this an RS or A3? Passing by a used car dealership. Take a look. He hasn't wrapped it. He doesn't know what to drink. Has been looking for a long time. Just drink your old man's iced black tea. Okay. Still has to be Gojiao. I want to try this. Apple milk tea. Eating at this chicken pot place on the 2nd floor tonight. Their place is